So if your topper is looking like this, it's not natural. You have to blend this. And let me show you how you can blend this topper properly so that it can look natural. Spray some water on the base. Now, what I will do, I'll put this in the side parting. In middle part, normally small toppers doesn't look very good. So we suggest them to wear in a side part. I will use this dryer to make the base flat. And as you can see, the base from here is looking flatter. Now we will do this side. That's how it's looking now. Much more flatter and blended. But if you want your roots to be lifted, you can use a blow dry brush. Now comb this topper backwards. This is how it is looking now. No weird bump, nothing. Just perfectly blended topper. Check. It's perfectly blended from the front also. It can hide your grays and the parting line thinning. Okay, so let me tell you what makes the topper look unnatural. So currently, as you can see, the topper's hair is perfectly flat. It is not lifted from the sides. So when we keep it on a flat surface or when we ship it from here, the hair from the sides gets lifted and it becomes unnatural. So what you have to do, you have to flatten the surface perfectly to make it look more natural. And wear the topper just half a centimeter away from your front hairline and wear it in side part. It really looks much more natural in side part. Okay, now let me try it in the middle part again. Okay. Just behind your hairline. I think it's looking flatter in the middle part also, but it's not looking too much natural. And I don't like this in the topper. I mean, I don't like middle part in a hair topper. But that's how it is looking in the middle part right now, after perfectly setting the topper. If you have any more questions, you can ask us in the comments. Would you try this topper?